Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Leonardo AI generation failed errors in 2026. So if Leonardo AI isn't creating images, keeps showing a generation failed message, or stops processing your requests, here are some common fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Leonardo AI from communicating properly with its servers. Next, refresh the page and try generating the image again. Yeah, temporary platform issues can sometimes cause a generation request to fail unexpectedly. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies or switch to a different browser. Sometimes outdated browser data can interfere with image generation features. If many users are generating content at the same time, Leonardo AI may experience high demand. So, waiting a few minutes and trying again can often resolve temporary processing issues. Finally, submit a new image generation request and monitor the results. In many cases, refreshing your session, simplifying the prompt, or checking your available credits will solve the problem. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Leonardo AI generation failed errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.